Beautiful.
Wow.
I'm Dave.
And I'm Neve.
And we're from New Zealand.
Welcome to Japan.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Nice to be here.
Is it first time for you guys to be in Japan?
Yeah.
First time, yeah, we came and now we look around Osaka.
We have for 6 weeks.
Have you eaten ramen?
We have eaten ramen. That's one of our favorites.
We love ramen.
Have you made ramen before?
Never made ramen, just eat lots of ramen. And back in New Zealand we eat ramen as well, but much nicer in Japan.
Would you guys like to make ramen today?
We would love to
Yeah.
make ramen today. Making ramen!
This is ramen restaurant featuring Ramen-loving factory. We are at the ramen restaurant in Osaka, the longest line. We can make ramen and eat it.
Yes, please. So, yeah, I might get the good tin and the thickest cup.
You have no Japanese word.
Only a little bit. We should know more.
Where did you learn?
We have one friend in Tokyo and she let us stay with her and taught us a very little bit of Japanese.
Konnichiwa, so hello. And
I always say hi.
arigatou gozaimasu.
We wish we knew more. Sometimes we
I know 1 to 10. Ichini, san, shi, go, rokusu, yeah, sometimes, yeah.
I think languages like Spanish are much easier to learn, or even French. I think Japanese is very difficult.
Yeah, very different.
Ramen.
Wow.
The biggest.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Looks amazing. Yeah. Beautiful.
Wow.
Really amazing.
Boiled the pork for a long time.
Beautiful. Wow.
She's preparing for us.
Yeah.
Wow.
Looks amazing. Beautiful.
Excited.
We hold this kayashi. It's a soup base.
Wow.
Hot soup today.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Good.
They're gonna show you how to make ramen on this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
They're gonna repeat the process, so you guys can watch it again.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, I have no idea.
It says put the noodles in the
Water.
yeah, in like that.
Move around.
You keep moving.
And please be careful, it's too hot. This is chicken broth.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool, let's do it. Okay. And there's only one pair of chopsticks, so you don't.
Can we do it?
Make the moving sound.
Okay. Beautiful ramen. Delicate. Slow.
Your eyeglasses are
Ah,
Okay.
It's ramen day.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you take yours. And
Do the noodles.
do we use the tongs to it?
Yeah. Organized noodles.
Oh yeah.
Scallions.
Okay. Let's start with the pork. Or thickest cut. Onions. Beautiful. At home sometimes we call these scallions. Pop that in. Ramen!
You can take these with you and go upstairs and we can eat.
Yeah, we're okay. Itadakimasu!
Wow. Trying to make slurping noises.
Yes, make noise. Good job making the noise.
Thank you.
That was perfect.
Really good.
I thought they were going to be overcooked, but it is perfect.
Good. How do you feel making noise when you're eating?
We like adapting to the culture.
Perfect.
At home, we would not make noise. People might see that as rude, but
Right.
we know in Japan that that's what is culturally normal. Yeah, so we try to do what's normal in Japan.
You're turning to Japanese.
Oh, I want
Yeah.
that. She loves Japanese cartoons.
Yeah, anime.
Anime.
Yeah, Studio Ghibli, Spirited Away. Also I like all of them. I might go to the Studio Ghibli store around here.
Oh.
Yeah.
So when we use our spoons, what do we do with our chopsticks? Is there a proper way to put them, like here or here?
I would put
Or you just put
on
them
the
like,
side, on
Like this.
like that?
or on the plate,
Okay.
side.
Right.
Cool.
I wondered about that. How's your roll?
Good. Would you like to try it?
Is it?
Can he
Am I
try it?
allowed
Oh
to?
yes, absolutely.
It's okay, just the reach. Really heavy soy. Very strong soy sauce flavor. Yeah. Really nice and cooked as well. Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't made ramen before, so it was a new experience.
Maybe one day in New Zealand we try and make ramen back home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think the noodles are handmade or they come from a packet? Wow.
Wow, awesome.
Very good.
We'd like to share Japanese manners.
Yeah.
And one of them is you may want to take hot
Hat off?
inside.
Yeah, sure
the
thing.
restaurant.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm sorry about the hat.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Good to know now.
Where did you guys learn how to?
In New Zealand.
At a
Yeah.
Japanese restaurant?
Japanese restaurant.
Eating sushi.
Oh.
Maybe my mother, like,
Yeah.
yeah, we used to make sushi when we were little kids as well.
Nice.
And then, yeah, try to eat the chopsticks.
It's sushi popular food.
Yeah, it's very popular.
At home, I eat sushi 5 times a week. But our sushi is not like your sushi. It's like teriyaki chicken. Everything just teriyaki chicken. Mayonnaise, yeah. No, people don't eat much tuna or raw fish.
In New Zealand, it's an island just like Japan. So I think you have a lot of fish. What kind of fish food do you have in New Zealand?
So we do a lot of fishing. So we catch our own fish, and we catch kingfish, yellowtail kingfish. We catch red snapper.
Red snapper.
Yep.
Yeah, snapper.
We catch blue cod. What else? And there's lots of sharks.
Sure.
Hawaii, yeah.
Wow. Do you eat caviar?
Caviar? No, I don't like caviar.
Not normally. People do, but very expensive. Not very common.
Shark.
Yep.
How do you cook it?
I don't catch shark.
Yeah, I catch shark. So how do we cook? Like fillet fish, and then cut fillets into slabs, and often cover them in flour or breadcrumbs, and then fry in pan.
With oil?
Yep, with oil. And sometimes we'd make a batter, so flour on the fish, on the shark, then an egg, and then an panko breadcrumb, and then fry in oil.
It's crunchy outside.
Yeah, crunchy
Yeah.
outside.
Yeah. But yeah.
Sounds yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we catch lots of yellowtail kingfish, so yeah, very good. Much fun. Yeah. Yeah, yellowtail kingfish, and we tried sashimi, so we fillet and then sashimi the yellowtail kingfish. In New Zealand, we have lots of kingfish.
Which is most popular, sushi or ramen?
Sushi. In New Zealand, yeah.
Yeah.
Bento boxes as well. Yeah.
Are there ramen restaurants?
There are ramen restaurants.
Yep.
Yeah. Not as good as Japan.
And it's more expensive in New Zealand.
How much is it?
So like
Maybe
average would be like
2,000
20.
yen.
Yeah, 2,500 yen. Yeah.
Yeah.
She said to me, there is a ramen restaurant serving 200 yen ramen.
Wow.
Wow.
In Osaka?
You guys take us there next?
Thank you.
Are you guys excited to go to Australia?
Yeah. Yep.
It's a beautiful country.
It is a beautiful country.
Yeah. We're going there. But we don't have a house or a car or anything. We're just going to Australia
Figure it out
and
there.
trying to make the most of it. And yeah, yeah, we want to get a four-wheel drive truck so we can go four-wheel driving up and down the coastline and lots of surfing.
Nice. You surf?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We might try and go to Chiba. Chiba? It's a surf beach just north of Tokyo. Yeah. Yeah, we'll try there next week as well, maybe.
Yeah.
I think it's, yeah. Try.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it would be nice to have a look at the coastline of Japan as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why did you choose Australia? Is it?
I've always wanted to come to Japan, and we wanted to go snowboarding and see some anime cartoons around. I like Studio Ghibli, specifically Spirited Away. I love Spirited Away.
She loves Chihiro.
It's my favorite.
She's got a tattoo of Chihiro on her arm.
Yeah, of
Yeah, so she loves anime and I love snowboarding, so we thought it was a good time to come together.
We love Japan. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
We come back again one day.
Yeah, in Ibisu. Yeah. We had some friends staying in Osaka the past couple of nights, and they invited us to come down and see, and I wanted to come to Osaka as well, so.
We went to Kyoto yesterday, so we went and looked at where did we go? The monkeys and the bamboo forest, and we did all the touristy things. Yeah, really beautiful. And we saw the temples and yeah, it was really
Now
nice.
today we're looking around Osaka.
Yeah.
It's different from Kyoto.
Yeah, a lot different. For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, we like it.
We like all the colour and the cartoons and the river.
We might go shopping around here afterwards.
She loves shopping. Always shopping.
Yeah.
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 The ocean, how is it different from Japanese ocean?
Well, we haven't actually seen much of the ocean in Japan yet, so it's quite hard to comment, but I think Japan would be colder. Actually, New Zealand's cold too.
I think, just guessing, but New Zealand is very wild. Like there's not many people, or there's not many buildings, so it's all very rugged and raw. Whereas I'm not sure, but I think Japan is a lot more people around the ocean and maybe using the ocean more for fishing and things like that. New Zealand is about the same size as Japan, but only about 5-6 million people, so not very many people. So our coastlines are very empty. Yeah, you can find your own beach.
Is it okay to swim with the sharks?
Yeah, it's okay, yeah.
Are you guys not scared?
A little bit.
Sometimes, but not really.
So yeah, we get great white sharks, it's common, and we have lots of seals. So the sharks come in and try and get the seals. Yeah. Other than that, we just yeah. And
No, I haven't.
when you're surfing, you can often see sharks in Australia and New Zealand. Not often, but like every year or two, you'll see a shark beside you. Yeah. Yeah, we have snow.
Yeah, so I'm from the North Island and he's from the South Island, so he gets more snow than the North Island, so he's big.
But yeah. So the area. Yeah. So after South Pole, New Zealand's the first landmass, and snow around Queenstown and Wanaka. So it's very popular for tourism. Japanese people, Chinese people, and people from Europe come to Queenstown and Wanaka to make a skiing holiday. It's a lot like Aqaba, really. It's very similar. Yeah. Not as good. So in New Zealand, our temperatures don't get as cold as Japan. So we get less snow and the snow's heavier, it's wetter.
So he says that a good day in New Zealand is a bad day in Japan.
Yeah, it's really uncommon for us to get good powder days. It happens, but not like Japan. Because she's so
It was awesome. Best ramen I've ever had.
Yeah, really amazing.
And we learned how to make our own ramen at home.
Yeah.
Yay! Arigatou gozaimasu.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.